Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable auto scroll on TikTok. Now, if this is something that you are interested in, then make sure to follow all the steps and stick till the end. And before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up your TikTok application on your device. Now once you're in For You page, hold down on a video and there a menu will appear on your screen. Now from the menu, you will be able to see this auto scroll option at the top right of the menu. Now tap on that option. Now with that, you have enabled auto scroll option on TikTok. Now you can effortlessly swipe through an endless stream of content without having to manually scroll. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to auto scroll on TikTok. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now that's gonna be all for this video and I will be back with more videos like this.